Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the area of a rectangular pathway. Okay. In the last class we have seen the area of the circular pathway. We shall recall that. Circular pathway. Here this is a circle. Around that we are drawing another one circle. Between this area we call that as pathway. Okay. That is here from center to first circle is small r. That is small radius. Okay. Radius of the small circle. Then center to the bigger circle is capital R. In between the two circles we have a width W, that is W. Okay, we have formula. How to find W width? Capital R minus small r. Okay, capital R minus small r will get the width. Okay, then R, capital R, how to find capital R? If they are given R and W, small r and W. What is the capital R? Small r plus W. If you add these two, you will get capital R. Then small r is equal to capital R minus W. Okay. From one formula we can write all these. Okay. Now area of the circular pathway. Area of the circular pathway is, we have to subtract the smaller circle from the bigger circle. Okay. We have to subtract the whole, find the whole area. Okay. Minus smaller area. Okay. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square. This is the area of the circular pathway. We can write this as pi into r square minus r square. Okay. Then one problem we shall see. If the outer radius of and inner radius of the circles are respectively 9 cm and 6 cm, find the width of the circular pathway. Here what are the circles? Smaller circle and bigger circle. This is the R. This is capital R. And you give the name as O. Here A and B. This is W, isn't it? Okay. Now, what and all they are given? The outer radius and inner radius. Then outer radius is 9 cm. Then inner radius is 6 cm. So, capital R is equal to 9 cm. And small r is equal to 6 cm. Here, you have to find the width of the circular pathway. That is W you have to find. What is the formula to find the W? Capital R minus small r. So, capital R minus small r. That is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 cm. W. So, the answer is width of the circular pathway is equal to 3 cm. Have you understood? Now we shall see the rectangular pathway. Okay. We know that area of rectangle is equal to, yes, LB square units, L into B. That is length into breadth square units. This is the area of a rectangle we know. Okay. Now here also a pathway. Okay. This is a rectangle. Here we have the pathway. So this is a bigger rectangle. How to find the area of the pathway, rectangular pathway? You have to find the area of the full rectangle and subtract this small rectangle area. Okay, we will get the area of the pathway. Now, area of the rectangular pathway is equal to capital L into B. The outer rectangle we name as capital L and capital B. Okay, that is L into B, capital L into capital B minus small l into small b, square units. Now, this is the width W. Here one W. 1 centimeter width means we are going to construct a path around the rectangular garden. Like that you have. Okay. We are going to construct 1 meter. 1 meter around the rectangular garden. Okay. Now here 1 meter means here also 1 meter. So the length will increase 1 plus 1. Isn't it? Then in the breadth also, here 1 meter means here also 1 meter. So in the breadth also, it will increase 2 times W. Okay. So capital L is equal to small l plus 2 into W. When you have to find that capital L means small l plus W, that is 2W. Then B breadth means capital B is equal to small b plus 2 into W. So area of the rectangular pathway is equal to LB, capital LB minus small lb square units. Okay. Then example 2.18. We shall see some problems. A floor is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. A carpet of size 7 meter and 5 meter wide is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not covered by the carpet. Okay. This is the floor. A floor is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. This is a full floor. LB. In this we have a carpet of length 7 meter and breadth 5 meter. We have to find the area of the floor which is not covered by carpet. This is the place that place of area not covered by the carpet. You have to find this area. Now we have capital L, capital B, small l, small b. So from this floor full area, we are subtracting the carpet area. Okay. Then we will get the area of the floor that is not covered by carpet. Okay. Here L is equal to 10 meter, B is equal to 8 meter. Then small l is equal to 7 meter, small b is equal to 5 meter. Here capital L and capital B is a floor, the full floor, these are floor. Okay. Then small l and small b is carpet. Okay. Then area of the floor which is not covered, you have to find. For that, area of the full floor minus area of the carpet. Okay. So capital L into B square units minus small l b square units. 10 into 8 minus 7 into 5. So 80 minus 35 meter square is equal to 45 meter square. The answer is area of the floor which is not covered is equal to 45 meter square. Now we shall see the example 2.19. A picture of length 23 centimeter and breadth 11 centimeter is painted on a chart such that there is a margin of 3 centimeter along each of the sides. Find the total area of the margin. Okay. Here 22 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Full chart order. Length and breadth they have given. Okay. Then is painted on a chart such that there is a margin. Inside that we have a margin. Okay. Margin 3 centimeter. This side 3 centimeter and this side 3 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter and 3. So the breadth you have to find the small l and small b. That is the find the total area of the margin. You have to find the area of the margin. Okay. Here is the picture. Around that we have a margin that is 3 centimeter wide, W width. Okay. So the full chart is 23 centimeter and 11 centimeter. So capital L is 23 centimeter and capital B is 11 centimeter. Now you have to find the small l. Small l is equal to capital L minus 2W. So 23 minus 2 into 3, that is 23 minus 6. So the length is 23 minus 6 is 17 centimeter. Here the small l is 17 centimeter. Then small b is equal to capital B minus 2 into W. That is 11 minus 2 into 3. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So the small b is 5 centimeter. Then area of the margin pathway. Area of the margin. We call that as pathway. The pathway. Okay. And then area of the chart, full chart, area of the full chart minus area of the picture. That is capital B minus small l b square units. So 23 into 11 minus 17 into 5. 23 11s are you have to multiply. Then it will come as 23, 23. So 3, 5, 2. 253 minus 17 5s are 85. Equal to 168 centimeter square. So the answer is area of the margin is equal to 168 centimeter square. In example 2.20, a veranda of width 3 meter is constructed along the outside of the room of length 9 meter and width 7 meter. Okay. Width means breadth. Okay. Find A. First question is the area of the veranda. Then second question is the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. Okay. The room length is 9 meter and 7 meter breadth. Okay. In that we are going to construct a veranda of 3 meter width. Here 3 meter means here 3 meter. Okay. Then the capital L will be 9 plus 3 plus 3. That is 9 plus 2W. That is 9 plus 6 is 15 meter. Same as for width also. Here 3 meter, here 3 meter. Okay. Here also 3 meter. Here also 3 meter. Okay. For width also 7 plus 3 plus 3. That is 13 meter. Okay. So we have to find the veranda area. Okay. This is the veranda constructed by W. Width is W is 3 meter. Okay. Now we shall say we know already that small l and small b and W. Using that you have to find the capital L and capital B. Capital L is small l plus 2 into W. That is 9 plus 2 into 3, 6 is 15 meter. Then capital B is equal to B plus 2 into W. That is 7 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 7 plus 6 is 13 meter. Now you have to find the area of the veranda. No? So that first you have to find the area of the room including the veranda. Including the veranda, that is full. Including the veranda is this full bigger rectangle area we have to find. Okay, the area of the room including veranda minus the area of the room. Okay, that is capital L B minus small l b square units. That is 15 into 13 minus 9 into 7. 15 13s are 195 minus 9 7s are 63. So the area of the veranda is 132 meter square. Okay, now we have found the area of the veranda. Now we have to second question is The cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. Now cost of step 2, cost of cementing the floor per square meter is rupees 15. So cost of cementing 132 meter square is equal to 132 into 15. That is, we have to multiply 5 2s are 10 0, remainder 1, 5 3s are 15, 16 6, remainder 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. So again 132, and then add 1980. So answer is cost of cementing the veranda is equal to rupees 1980. Now we shall see the example 2.21. A cocoa ground has dimensions 30 meter into 19 meter, which includes a lobby, all its sides. Okay. The dimensions of the playing area is 27 meter into 16 meter. That is, this is the length and breadth. Find the area of the lobby. Okay. Here 27 meter, they are given first cocoa ground. Cocoa ground, full ground is 30 meter and 19 meter. It is length and breadth given for the full ground, cocoa ground. Find the area of the lobby. Here is the lobby. Inside that they have a lobby. Okay. 27 into, this is the playing area. 16 into 27 meter is the playing area. This is lobby. Lobby. Okay. Here this is fully around this playing area we have a lobby. For this is the full playground. So now we have to find the area of this lobby. So capital we know, capital B we know, capital L, capital B, small l, small b. Okay. Now area of the lobby is equal to area of the cocoa ground minus area of the playing field. And capital L B minus small l b square units. 30 into 19 minus 27 into 16. So 570, that is 13 into 30 into 19. So 0, 9 3s are 27, 7, remainder 2, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 570. So 27 into 16 is 6 7s are 42, remainder 4, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Then again 27, 1 times no. Then you add 432. So 570 minus 432 meter square is equal to 148 meter square. Answer. Area of the lobby is equal to 148 meter square. Exercise 2.3, 7th problem. A picture is painted on a ceiling of a marriage hall whose length and breadth are 18 meter and 7 meter respectively. There is a border of 10 centimeter along each of its sides. Find the area of the border. Ceiling of a marriage hall is 18 meter and 7 meter. Okay. Inside here, this is the full ceiling, that is 18 meter and 7 meter. Here inside this they are giving a border, that is 10 centimeter. So you can write as 10 divided by 100. You have to change this centimeter to meter. So 0.1 meter. How? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Isn't it? That we know. So 10 by 100 is equal to 0.1 meter. So 0.1 meter W width. All the sides. They are giving a border. Okay. We have to find the area of the border. Okay. Now length of the ceiling is L, capital L, that is 18 meter. Length of breadth of the ceiling B is equal to 7 meter. Border is 0.1 meter. Now we have to find the small l and small b. Without border area you have to find. Okay. That is small l is equal to L minus 2W. Here also 0.1. So L 18 minus 2 into 0.1. That is equal to 18 minus 0.2. isn't it? Now you subtract this 18.0. You have to change this to like decimal. So 0.2. Now you subtract. Borrow 1 here, it will become 7. Here 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So 7, 1. So 17.8 meter. L. Small l is 17.8 meter. Then small b you have to find. That is here also breadth 0.1 meter. Here 0.1 meter. Here 7 meter, no. You have to subtract these two. Then you will get the small b. Isn't it? So 7 minus 2 into 0.1. That is 7 minus 0.2. Here also you change this to like decimal. So 0.2. You borrow from here. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here you borrowed, no, so 6. 6.8. So small b is equal to 6.8 meter. Now you have to find the area of the border. Okay, area of the border you have to find. So we know the ceiling length and breadth. That is area of the ceiling minus area of the ceiling without border. So 18 into 7 minus 17.8 into 6.8. Now 7 8s are 56, 6, remainder 5, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So 126. Here you multiply 17.8 into 6.8. Then you will get 120.04. Okay. Then you subtract 126 minus 121.04. You borrow from here. 6 means it will come 5. Here 10. Again here 9. Here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 we have. Then from 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. So 4.96 meter squares. Answer, area of the border is equal to 4.96 meter square. Thank you. Have a nice day.